The DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone, equipped with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, offers professional-grade imagery in an incredibly compact design. The drone offers an impressive 46 minutes of flight time, allowing creators to capture more content with less concern about battery life. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Classic is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing capability, which detects objects in all directions during flight and smoothly avoids obstacles, ensuring exceptional safety. This drone also boasts a 15 kilometers high-definition video transmission range, extending shooting possibilities with a stable signal and a clear 1080p 60 frames per second feed. The advanced return-to-home feature on the Mavic 3 Classic automatically calculates and executes an optimized route back to a set home point, providing pilots with greater peace of mind. Finally, the drone is compliant with the Federal Aviation Administration Remote Identification Rule, which is an important consideration for drone enthusiasts in the United States.